In this video, I'm going to show you how to make halftone in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have an image if you want to have it, and then you can click on that specific image, and then here you can just click on this filters button down here at the bottom, and here you'll be able to see it's going to say halftone over here. So just click on that, and then from here you can go ahead and basically customize it. So first you have the screen option where you can make it either monochrome, color, you can make it a line over here, or you could make it circular as well. So completely up to you, whatever you want to do. I'm going to just select color for now, and then you can select the cell size, which will adjust it like so, as you can see. So you could go really crazy like that, or of course just like the smallest amount possible. And then whenever you're happy, you could also adjust the contrast, which will also of course change the appearance of your halftone. And then down here you could also go ahead and do different replacements here. You could go ahead and do the undercolor removal, stuff like that, and also the screen angle. So it's up to you however you want to do it. You could also adapt and change this opacity over here. So yeah, you can do whatever you want, change the blend mode, you can play around with this, and whenever you're happy, you can just go ahead, exit this out, and then you have your halftone over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.